What's up, YouTubers? This is Astro Traveler 92 coming at you with a stash of 2015. Here we got a case of Slayer rockets. We have a case of Party Zone number 6. Look at this thing here. Shh, look at that. It's not a cake. It's all individual tubes. A Monster Smoke with report. You guys know what that does. We have here a case of Boombox. And then here we have a full case of Bad Blood. Let's open this bad boy up. Fuck, I should have opened them. Give me a sec. We got the case open. Bad Blood. Whole case of 8 million Lightning Bug Saturn Missile by Great Grizzly. We have a case of Danger Zone by Ghost Shadow. Really nice cake. We have a case of, I think this is Comet Rider. Yeah, Comet Rider. We have a whole case of Misguided Youth. A whole case of USA brand Powerballs. Not sure what that does, but we'll find out. Another case of Danger Zone. Gotta love that fucker. Now we got here a really hard to find cake. It's called Need for Speed. Really, really hard to find. It's a pretty big cake. Here we have a case of the Reaper. I mean, it's a big cake, as you can see. Bad Blood is a nice size. That's a big fucking cake. 28 shots. Don't know what it does, but we'll find out soon. We have a whole case of So Loud Roman Candle 96 shots by Shogun. And then we have a whole case of Air Travel Bang rockets. We have a whole case of White Lightnings. A whole case of Smoke Shooters. Put that back in its box. Give me a sec. Whole case of Texas Gunslinger.